Hello, hello! Today we're going to talk about large number subtracting in standard algorithm, which is pretty big, so let's get started. First off, we are going to subtract. You need your personal whiteboard. Pause me while you get your stuff out. Those are the two numbers that we are going to subtract first. The way we're going to do that, let's show it quickly in a tape diagram. And we kind of brush over, and we'll do a tape diagram lesson and a place value just so we can get all those terms down. Just a little review here soon so that we truly understand what those things are. To draw a tape diagram for subtraction, so we need a box right here, a rectangle. And we know that this rectangle is 2,171. And we know that the whole thing equals 4,259. What we don't know is what is this right here. And that's what we're going to figure out, is this space that makes up that difference. So we know how many there are total. We know that we need to take away this number, and we need to figure out what's left. Now we're going to make a place value chart that goes all the way to the thousands. A line across the top doesn't need to be very big, because that's just for our ones, tens, thousands. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Now we're going to make 4,259 in dots on here. So we have 4,000, 1, 2, 3, 4. 200, 59. Now we need to take away 2,171. Now you'd think we could just start erasing all that, but we can't. We need to start in the ones place. So we need to take away 2,171. I'll write that so I don't have to keep turning my head. So we look in that ones place. Can we take 1 away from here? Yeah, we can. So our ones place is done. How many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We need to take 7 away from our tens. Can we do that? No. We need to take from the hundreds. How many tens make up 1/100? That's right, 10. So we're going to take this one right here, and we are going to move it into here. So instead of 1/100, we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now this one is not 100 anymore. And now instead of 5 tens, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 tens. Now can we take 7 tens away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So far, so good. Now we need to take away 100. Can we do that? Yeah. How many hundreds are left? 0. And we need to take away 2 thousands. 1,000, 2,000. How many thousands are we left with? That's right. So our answer to the question, 4,259 minus 2,171 is 2,088. Good. Let's break that even further down just a little bit to show in standard algorithms. So you don't have to draw a place value chart each and every time. We'll show what that looks like in standard algorithm. We have 4,000. Now remember to space out your letters a little bit. 259 minus 2,171. Is yours nice and spaced out like this? If it's not, pause right here and make it look like this. Nice and spaced out. You don't want your numbers to be crammed together. Alright? Now we start in that ones place. 9 minus 1. We can do that. 9 minus 1 is 8. 5 minus 7. Now remember we couldn't do that, so we needed to take 10 tens from here, which only left us with 1 100 left behind. And instead of 5, we put those 10 tens in here, and it gave us 15 tens. 15 minus 7 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. And 4 minus 2 is 2. Don't forget your comma. 2,088. Now let's get a bigger number going. Make a place value chart up to the 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Good. Now in the top one, we're going to make 2 10,000s, 3 thousands for 23,000, 400, 22. And we're going to take away 11,510. We're going to start in the ones place, always. Taking away 0 ones, so if we take away nothing, we're left with how many ones? 2. We're going to take away 1 10. How many tens are we left with? Just 1. We're going to take away 5 hundredths. Can we do that? No. If you have 4 candy bars and I want 5 candy bars, you can't help me. So we need to come over here. How many hundreds make up 1,000? 10. So this one right here is going to move down here. And he's going to become, instead of 1,000, he's going to become 10 hundreds. So he's no longer in our thousands place. I suppose I should, whoops. And he became 10 hundredths. Now can we take away 5 from that? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many hundreds are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Can we take away 1,000? Yeah. How many thousands do we have? Just 1. And can we take away 10,000? Yes. How many 10,000s are we left with? Just 1. So our answer is 11,912. Let's put that into standard algorithm. Standard stacking. Standard stacking. Make sure you space out your numbers a little bit. 23,422 minus 11,510. And before I show you, I'm going to add my commas. Pause right here if yours isn't spaced out like this. Go ahead and make it happen. Starting in the ones place. 2 minus 0. We can do that. It's just 2. 2 minus 1. We can do that. It equals 1. 4 minus 5. We couldn't do that. So we needed to take, instead of 1,000, we needed to take 1,000 pieces, which left us with 2,000s. Then we took those 1,000 pieces and we added it to the 4. So we had 14. 14 minus 5 now is 9. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. We get 11,912. Cool deal. I think we should do one more. We're going to do one more little tape diagram. The paper mill produced 73,000. 658 boxes of paper. So that was their total. Out of those 73,658, 8,052 have been sold. How many boxes of paper are left? So we know this whole total chunk up here. They sold this many, so we don't need to worry about this. We can take that out. We want to know how many are left. Let's go ahead and put this just into standard algorithm. Let's go straight for it. Make sure we space out our numbers. 73,658 minus 8,052. Let's make sure our place values are lined up. Do you have the ones in the ones place, the tens in the tens place, the hundreds in the hundreds place, the thousands in the thousands place, and the 10,000s in the 10,000s place? Those are very clear. They need to be. 8 minus 2. Can we do it? Yes. 8 minus 2 is 6. 5 minus 5. Can we do it? Yes. If you have 5 of something and you give 5 away, you have 0 left. 6 minus 0. Can we do that? Yes. If you have 6 of something and you don't give any away, you still have 6. 3 minus 8. Can you do that? No. So we need to take 10,000s from this 10,000, which would leave us with 6 10,000s. And we take those 10 1,000 pieces and we put them into the thousands place. So instead of 3, we would have 13. 13 minus 8 is 5. And 6 minus nothing is 6. So our answer is 65,606. It's not so bad. I love that place value chart because you can see what's going on. You can take 1,000 and you can break it up into 1,000 pieces. And then you can start your subtraction. Use that place value chart. I think it's awesome. Let's give ourselves just a little bit of a box down at the bottom. Let's make another place value chart. But this time it's going to look like this. And we are going to subtract. The reason that we left this space down here is we're going to take 29,014. And we're going to take away, 7,503. So that's our equation right there on the bottom. We have how many ones to start with? So we're just plugging in this top number. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1 10. We have 0 hundreds. We have 9 thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have 2 10,000s. Now we're going to take away 7,503. So can we take 3 ones away? Yes. 1, 2, 3. And that leaves us with 1 1. We have 110 and we want to take 0 away. So how many 10s are we left with if we don't take any away? We're left with 1. Now we don't have any hundreds, but we need to take 5 of them away. So we're going to come over here. We're going to take this thousands piece and we're going to break it into 10 hundred pieces. So this is no longer a 1,000, which means that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 thousands left instead of 9. And instead of having 0 hundreds, we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now can we take 5 of them away? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 1,000 pieces. We need to take 7 of them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many thousands are we left with? Just 1. And we have 2 10,000s. We don't want to take any away, so we are left with 2 10,000s. Our answer is 2 10,000s, 1,000, 5 hundreds, 1 10, and 1 1. 21,511. Awesome job! Good luck.